You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's look at and learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this fashion brand. By the way, if you want to learn more confusing brand names, luxury brand names that are very confusing, everybody gets them wrong, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. ASOS, that's your English pronunciation. It's a British brand, fast fashion. ASOS is how to say it. It's easy once you know. Listen carefully how to pronounce ASOS, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.